Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your kit. Measure and verify the anklet against NCC rules so you don't need to redo it later. First, check which side is specified and the material metal behaves differently from cloth. Measure your ankle, leave about 0.5 to 1 cm clearance to prevent rubbing. Make sure your socks and pant hem are set. The anklet should rest above the boot line. This prevents interference when you march and keeps the appearance sharp and regulation compliant. Now you position the anklet precisely. Place it at the front inner ankle so the emblem faces forward and is visible during inspection. Once aligned, fasten the clasp securely. For metal anklets, close any adjustment gently so you don't kink the metal. For cloth, tie or fasten Velcro snugly. After fastening, move your foot through normal marching motion. Lift, point, flex. If it binds or slides, loosen or tighten slightly so it remains stable without restricting movement. Finish with a careful inspection. Look from 3 angles and polish metal or smooth cloth to ensure a crisp appearance. Once done, perform a 2-minute march test to hear for rattling, detect slipping, and confirm there's no skin irritation. If you find problems, address the cause. Pad pressure points to relieve rubbing, readjust or tighten the clasp to stop slipping, or replace a damaged anklet if it deforms. If discomfort persists, remove it and consult your NCC instructor immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.